startup founded by Agam Khare is using microbes as microfactories to create biological alternatives to chemical farm inputs, whey protein and even leather. With 12 products in market, 20 lakh farmers using them and a pipeline of 400 plus biotech solutions, the company is now preparing for global scale. On the sidelines of the IVCA Green Return Summit 2025, Agam Khare tells Aishwarya Anand what's next. Take a look.
Agam, give me a sense of what Absolute does. What does your business model look like? How many verticals are you running? Just give us a sense of what the company does.
Absolute is primarily a biotechnology company. We use microbes as microfactories to create biological solutions to very large problems that our world faces, primarily in areas of agriculture, where we make alternatives to harmful chemistry-based farm inputs that go into agriculture. So we make biofertilizers, biopesticides, biostimulants, not me-too products, but very deep R&D driven, extremely high efficacy-based products which can meet the parity of chemistry efficacy or be better than them. Then we have a second vertical where we create novel proteins. India does not have whey protein, for instance. So we make whey protein using these microbes through route of rapid fermentation. We make other proteins which can replace sugar, which are the exact replica of taste of sugar. And then we make enzymes and proteins which can have anti-inflammatory property and can go into therapeutics or OTC. And then we have a work around materials where we use the same science to basically make alternatives to leather. And we have made alternatives to calf, ostrich, and crocodile skin.
So how many products have you shipped till now? What does that number look like?
So we just went live with our agriculture products about 2.5 years ago. So about 12 products are now live in market. One of our product, which is a DAP alternative product, a biological product, has become super hit with farmers in India. Almost 15 lakh farmers in India bought it the last year. Almost 3 times that number should be buying in this year. 20 lakh plus have already bought it this year. So that's one of the flagship product, for instance. And then there are 12 products in market on the agriculture side. Our protein products are now hitting the market. We have already got a large order volume from leading companies in India. And now we are looking to supply also in Middle East and the other parts of the world.
How many farmers are you currently working with? What kind of impact have you created on that front?
So as I said, last year about 15 lakh farmers bought our products, but we are also demonstrating at the same time to many more farmers. So we typically work with close to about 30-40 lakh farmers between that number today directly, and we run demonstrations with them. We give these biological inputs to them, but since we are already working with them, Absolute was based in the thesis of solving problems for farmers, not just selling a product.
Okay.
So when we go to work with them, we also engage with them on many other layers. So for instance, getting additional revenue through the carbon credits, for instance, and thereby doing agroforestry on their periphery of farms. That's one of the big things we have done so far. For instance, this year alone, we have enabled these farmers to plant more than 3 million trees, 30 lakh trees across their periphery of farms. We are going to sort of plant before March another 2 million trees. So that's one of the additional incomes that farmers who are pursuing these inputs can also pursue. It becomes sort of either a recurring revenue because these are fruit trees, so they can have recurring revenue. It also helps our input business to be sort of more stable and go at scale. Then we enable these farmers to do biochar, enhanced rock weathering, whatever helps them earn more revenue on that acreage. We give those additional facilities to those farmers.
I think the last you raised funds was in 2021? 2021?
Yeah.
End of 2021. It was $900 million, if I am...
No, it was about $100 million.
It was about $100 million. Okay, all right. I want to understand, where did you deploy that capital? Are there plans of raising funds next year, next year? Is another round of fundraising on the cards for you?
Most of the capital, since we are an R&D company, goes into doing R&D and regulatory needs that are there in India and the rest of the world, wherever we want to launch our products. So that's the large part of capital deployment. Then some part of the capital also goes into running demonstrations to people, because only once they see, they believe, that's when they pick up the products. So that's where we have spent most of the capital of what we have raised. We probably may not raise in the near future, but as we go along and if the business needs, we will definitely look to raise more capital and solidify our presence as pioneers in this area.
So which means you essentially have enough capital in the bank right now.
That's right.
Okay. Talking about that, also help me understand, where does your revenue currently stand? Are you profitable already?
On an operating EBITDA level, we are already profitable, but because R&D takes a lot of money before it can yield enough results, Therefore, on a pure PAT basis, we may not look profitable, but then by Q4, our view is that the company will turn PAT level profitable by the Q4 of this year.
What does the next 3 to 4 years look like for you?
So we have built a very large repository of these novel microbes that we have sourced from across the world. So this library we call as Nature Intelligence Platform today is about 50,000 unique species of microbes, strains of microbes. And these microbes can then be used as microfactories to create a variety of solutions. That has resulted into us having a very strong pipeline of over 110 products across range of these 3 sectors. That places us in a very strong position for future growth. Our regulatory needs for a lot of these products are already met. Some of them are very close to being met across range of countries. We have got permissions in as far as in US and about 10 states to supply our agriculture products. We have massive permissions across India, across Middle East and Southeast Asia. So we're looking to spread our wings now